Hi, and welcome to another episode of Installer's Corner. I'm Barry Day, Senior Product Specialist here at Organized Living. Today I'll be demonstrating the correct way to install our new Classica Corner Rod Solution Kit. It's easily modified to be used under any corner shelf to create a useful double or single hang corner. I think you're really going to like the results. Let me show you how it's installed. For today's demonstration, we'll be using a Classica Corner Rod Solution Kit. The kit includes one corner rod, 2 fixed wall flanges, 1 support clip, and 7 Euro screws. You'll also need a rod cutter, a 3/16" drill bit, and a number 2 driver and marker. Place and center the corner rod on the top of the corner shelf, 1 inch back from the front edge. Make sure the ends of the rod are aligned with the cams on the adjacent cabinets. Make cut marks on the top of the corner rod. The top marks will also help during install when each end is a different length. Cut the rod to length. To install a rod in a double hang section, use a number 2 driver and a Euro screw to attach the first fixed rod flange. For the top rod, align the hole in the long tab with the second hole on the line bore and insert the screw. To install a rod on any other height, align the hole in the short tab with the second hole below the shelf and insert the screw. Then insert the correct end of the corner rod into the attached fixed rod flange and slide the second fixed rod flange onto the other end of the rod. With the second flange around the rod, align the correct hole in the tab with the second hole in the line bore and insert the Euro screw. Align each flange with the line bore and drill a 3/16" hole in the bottom hole location. Use a number 2 driver and a Euro screw to attach the first flange into the hole. Insert the rod into the first flange and then into the second. Align the bottom hole in the second flange and attach with a Euro screw. Once the corner shelf is in the correct location, center and clip the rod support bracket onto the rod. Press the mounting plate flat against the bottom of the corner shelf and mark the holes. Drill the marked holes with a 3/16" drill bit. Be careful not to drill through the shelf. Use a number 2 driver and 3 Euro screws to attach the mounting plate to the corner shelf. We think you'll be thrilled with the style and versatility of our new corner rod system. Available in chrome and nickel, and as always, feel free to call your dealer support person with any questions. And thanks for joining me on another episode of Installer's Corner.